Hello, welcome back to my office, Lexus. Today I'm going to be going over a question I get all the time. How do I reset my PIN? What is my PIN? Why is my PIN on my screen? I get it. Whenever you first get the car, you have to set up a PIN using the app. To be honest, most people forget about the PIN. There's way more important things to remember when you get a car. It takes a long time. It's really hard. I know, there's a lot going on. So I'm here to show you how to get the enter PIN button. If you don't know your PIN, how to reset the PIN so you can put the PIN in and that message will leave you alone. The first thing is that we're going to be using the Lexus app. Now come with me and I'll show you what to do. All right, we're in the car. Now this is probably the message that you've seen with the reset PIN and submit. Now come with me. I'm gonna go on the phone and I'm gonna show you exactly what to do to reset this. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're gonna open up our phone. We're gonna locate the Lexus app. It could be a lot of different places. We're just gonna find it wherever it is and click on it, just like I did. Now we're gonna come to this home screen. It's gonna give us a bunch of options. What we're gonna need to click on is sign in. Once we've clicked on the sign in, we are now gonna see welcome back, and below it we're gonna see email or enter phone number. That is where I'm gonna put my information in. Now you can put your email or your phone number in, depending on which one you feel like. I feel like phone number is typically the easiest, so I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna hit continue. Now it's gonna ask me to access my account. All that's saying is it's gonna send me a text message. Now we're gonna have to find that text message. There's a couple ways to do it. You can either click on the text when you see it come through, just like I kinda did there, or if you don't see the text go through, you can exit the Lexus app, go find your Messenger app, and then go find the text that Lexus sent you. Once you find that text, make sure you know the code it sent you. Should be a 6-digit code. Go back to the Lexus app and put it in under activation code. We're gonna let it load for a second. Now from here, you should see your vehicle and all that information. What we're really looking for is the button in the top right that looks like the silhouette of a person. That is what we are going to click on. Just clicked on it. Now we're going to click on account underneath your name in the middle of the screen. And now from here, we're going to click security settings in the middle of the screen. Now we can hit reset PIN at the bottom. Now I would just enter a new PIN. Doesn't really matter what PIN you enter. Just make that new PIN something that's easy to remember. And now once it says PIN reset confirmed at the top, that's how you know that we can now put the PIN in the car. Now that we've reset the PIN number, we're gonna put in that new PIN number we just changed it to get this off our screen. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put my new PIN number in. Right here, we're gonna click where it says submit. Just like that, success. It should leave you alone. Okay, so now that we've done all that, you shouldn't have your PIN come up very often. It should only come up every once in a while. Just put that same number in. I would write it down somewhere, and you shouldn't have any problems. Thanks for watching. If you found this informative, let us know. I think I'll keep making videos like this to help you guys out, and just let me know what else you guys need. Thank you so much for watching.